literally one video away from discovering how thousands of people in the US are making over $100 a day using free AI tools. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius or know how to code. This is copy-paste level easy, and I'll show you 3 AI tools that can literally start making you money by tonight. Tool number 1 is none other than ChatGPT. You don't need to be a writer. ChatGPT will literally write for you. Here's how. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for blog writing or product descriptions. You'll see people charging $20 to $50 per gig. Now go to ChatGPT, paste the product or topic, and boom, high-quality content in seconds. Deliver it, get paid. Rinse and repeat. 1 client a day equals 100 per week minimum. Tool number 2. Canva's AI plus Etsy equals passive income heaven. Here's the play. Go to Canva and use their AI to create digital products. Planners, affirmation cards, budget sheets. Now list them on Etsy. People in the US love digital downloads because they're instant and aesthetic. Every download gets you $3 to $15, and some people are selling hundreds per week. Tool number 3. This is for the camera-shy legends. Pictory AI. It takes your script, adds stock videos, voiceovers, and boom, a full video in minutes. Start a faceless YouTube channel in a niche like luxury, finance, or AI, and you can monetize with ads plus affiliate links. Imagine earning from YouTube 24/7, even while you sleep. I'm not saying you'll make $1 million overnight, but this is legit the easiest time in history to earn online. These tools didn't even exist 2 years ago. All you need now is consistency, curiosity, and a little hustle. If you waste these tools, bro, someone else will be using them to take your money, no cap. Hit that like button if you found even one idea helpful, and subscribe for more no BS ways to earn online in 2025. Comment AI Hustler below if you're ready to make your first $100. See you in the next one.